Player of the Year. We'll talk about her resume as the night progresses. Strong attack, and Purdue-Fort Wayne. Serve received by Becky Barrett. Cross-court attack is covered by Householder. The women finish 16th. This one set up to the outside. Lainey Graffis gets her first.
I always say challenge the block.
Set up to the middle, Nordman's attack covered. Joust at the net. Players that played any collegiate level, you're not just playing high school volleyball, you're playing club, and you are getting so much repetition. Graffis now.
Nice rally.
Very nice rally. Nice diving dig from Barrett. Machine with the serve. Tough reception. Serve. This one set high from Means. Why is she aboard? Joust at the net. Play stays alive. Householder cross. Gets it across. It's been a milestone achieving night here at Zion. Graffis serves. Overpass. Advantage taken. Blizniak to Henry. Now a strong Riley Rosnick.
Yeah. Purdue-Fort Wayne's got 3 hitters in the front row.
House. Graffis, freshman from Alliance, Ohio. She attended Marlington High School. The 4th for Purdue-Fort Wayne.
Wow, nice dig.
Very nice dig by Dimitrich.
Ooh.
And another job by Householder, keeping it alive. Machine sends it over. Attack from the.
Results in a win. Just a trade.
They're up 22-19. Blizniak to Householder. Graffis.
Wow.
Householder sends over a free ball. Means to the outside. Rosnick with high note. Means sets. The swing out of play. Penguins win. 26-24 here in our third set.